This black bean sauce is ready in no time. It is colorful, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. To a saucepan, add extra virgin olive oil, add bay leaves, cumin powder, and mix together. Saute for just 30 seconds to bring out the flavor from the spices. And now add blended onions and garlic. Saute for around 3 to 5 minutes. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. After 5 minutes, add the white parts from spring onions. Saute for just 1 minute. And then add nicely sliced chili pepper and bell pepper mix. Add ginger powder and mix together. And at this point, let's add the star of the dish, which is black beans. I already soaked the black beans overnight and cooked it until it was well done. Add soy sauce, bouillon seasoning, and mix together. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Add just a bit of water to bring the sauce together. Add cumin powder and saute on low heat for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the green part from the spring onions, chili flakes, mix together, turn off the heat, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.